And this morning we're off to a quiet start. We are still seeing some of that cloud cover. It looks like those stubborn clouds are going to stay with us through parts of our Thursday before we see frequent chances for snow returning as early as this weekend. This morning we're quiet. Current conditions as of right now definitely cooler. 28 degrees in Rockford. We're going to fall in those mid-20s through the morning commute. In fact, it feels like we're already there. Your feel like temperature in Rockford at 23 degrees. Here's what Exact Track is showing. Plenty of cloud cover across the area, but we will see some breaks between the clouds. That's what you're seeing here through places like Freeport, parts of Rockford, so we'll see some glimpses of sunshine throughout the day, but a little bit more cloud cover than sunshine. Temperatures will climb near average into the low 30s today, with your winds staying calm. Now overnight, more cloud cover is going to start to build in as we turn cloudy in general, but we also have a very low chance of potentially seeing areas of freezing drizzle. Chances are low and not everybody will see it, but keep that in the back of your mind. Temperatures do drop into those mid-20s before we end up seeing our first chance for snow. Friday is dry, cooler, and Friday night early into Saturday, we slowly start to see that chance for snow showers. They'll be brief, moving out, very minor accumulations expected, under an inch, with most of Sunday and even Monday staying dry, before we turn our attention to a much bigger system that we've been watching, getting closer to the area early next week. Now, when it comes to winter weather forecasting, of course, there's a couple things that we look at and can only verify a few days out. Right now, we're between that 5 to 7 days range, and as of right now, we are trending to either see more likely or less likely conditions joining us. Trending more likely, and we'll slowly start to know more once we get closer to the weekend and closer to the event itself. First is going to be a little bit more clarity when it comes to what we're going to see, if that's rain, snow, a little bit of both, and then the amounts and location will also become clearer. What we do know right now is we are seeing growing potential of seeing snow showers early next week with some stronger winds potentially arriving late Monday through Tuesday, early into Wednesday. But again, we are still 5 days out, so there are still plenty of unanswered questions. What we do know is we'll see some stubborn clouds for today through tomorrow. Temperatures staying within those mid-30s. Light snow into parts of your Saturday. We're mostly dry for Sunday and Monday until we get into late Monday, early Tuesday. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, it looks like we have another chance for snow closer to the end of next week, and all of that will be followed by some very cold temperatures. Will not only drop into the 20s, but potentially even the teens. Manny.